The brain. It is the most mysterious and complex organ in the human body. The way people perceive the world is determined only by how effective its nearly 30 billion neurons work together. But when something goes wrong, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, ADHD, dystonia, these are just a few of the damaging disorders that affect millions around the world. Recovery from these conditions and even injuries that were once seemingly out of the question are now achievable. New research is showing us how amazingly adaptable the nervous system truly is. New neural pathways can be created. With simple interventions, doctors have found ways to actually rewire the nervous system.
Things that are miracles are things that you don't see very often. But if you start seeing it all the time, then what was once a miracle is just a clinical expectation.
Follow us on a journey through a new frontier of medicine. A frontier that inspired a junior Olympic athlete to become a doctor to help others who suffer from neurological conditions that she herself experienced.
There's no amount of activity that I ever did as an athlete that was as painful as that stuff.
And visit the parents of one special young girl whose physical needs are outweighed only by her gracious spirit.
I worried, will she ever live a normal life outside of our house?
These people, like many others, have had to endure the hopelessness that comes when the body breaks down and becomes its own worst enemy. This is their story. This is Hope Restored.